Here I have ALCATEL1, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you have to hold down power key, and after the turn off menu appears, you have to hold down your finger on power off, and after it proposes you to reboot to safe mode, tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just restart your ALCATEL and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.